Hi, this is Ethiad from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn how to generate reports from the information registered on BIM and how to schedule automatic reports. Let's get started. Every module available on BIM has a report section, and you'll see that it is possible to obtain a report within just a few seconds. If we take a look at the reports available under the Asset Management module, we'll see that we can, for example, create a report about the asset status. We can filter the results we want to obtain by selecting the assets we are interested in. In this case, I will choose all the assets that belong to the New York Corporation. As you can see, there are 10 assets, 9 in use, 1 not in use. There is a search option on top. We could print the report or download it in different formats. Now let's imagine you have to access this report frequently. Wouldn't it be easier to obtain this report automatically and not having to filter the results every single time? Well, with BIM we can schedule when we want to create the reports. We could say that we want to receive this particular one in our email in PDF format every Friday before we leave the office, and we could send it to some users or groups of users. I will show you another example of a report. Now it will be a maintenance report that allows us to track work orders. I will select all the work orders created in the past 3 months, also for the New York Corporation. We can see the work order number, the asset associated with it, who's responsible for it, and many other fields. Companies can decide which columns they want to obtain during the configuration process. Sometimes, some of our customers want to get the reports directly in Excel, like the ones about the preventive maintenance operations. I am going to download the report after selecting the month of May. Here you can see when each asset will be maintained. The work orders will appear in red if they are opened, green if they are closed, black if they are cancelled, and gray if they are planned. These are just some examples of all the information we can obtain with the report tool on BIM. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn how to automate another process, such as the periodic maintenance operations, make sure to watch this next video.